Taking the third exit. Turning right from roundabout. Use the MSPSL routine of mirror, signal, position, speed and look every time that you approach a junction, roundabout or traffic lights. Positioning in right lane by changing lanes. Position the car appropriately for the maneuver. To take the third exit, change lanes in good time. Check center and right mirrors. Give the right turn signal to make other road users aware of your intentions. If it is safe, then change the lanes. Now cancel the turn signal. Approaching and entering the roundabout. When you are approaching the roundabout, reduce your speed by using the brakes and gears, if driving a manual car, as appropriate. Check the center and right mirrors and give the right turn signal. Look around and especially right, to check if someone else has priority. If it is safe to go, then join the roundabout in the right-hand lane. Exiting the roundabout from the third exit. When you are passing the second exit, check center and left mirrors and give the left turn signal. Then safely leave the roundabout through the third exit. Cancel the turn signal once you have exited the third exit. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon. Thanks.